guys, this is a short demonstration on how to do the wiped running stitch. This is a variation of the normal running stitch. We will start by creating a base of running stitch, and I will just start doing my running stitch line. Don't forget the trick for the running stitch to space your stitches evenly and create equal straight stitches. Oop. After you created your base, running stitch base, you change your color if you want to achieve a fancy effect, and we'll come up from behind the first stitch and then slide the needle from top to bottom or right to left, depending how you work. And you keep wiping, in my case from top to bottom. And this is it, guys. As you see, it's a very nice and fancy effect, especially when you combine two different colors. And this was the wiped running stitch. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button if you like this, and see you at the next tutorial. Bye, guys.